Take a ride in the 2026 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, electronic stability control, heated front seats. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.